Opened 3 packs so far.
With All Things Collectibles, we got a box break in progress by ncvikefans. 07 Rookies and Stars. So far he's opened 3 packs. Hasn't gotten anything out.
I got a Ryan McBean.
Excuse me, a McBean rookie number 2/199. As I said, he hadn't gotten anything out. Oh.
Adrian Peterson Crusade number to 1,000,000.
Got a Peterson Crusade number to 1,000. This is his rookie year, so that's a pretty good little subset.
Peterson Mojo in this box.
Let's hope so.
First hit is Dress for Success Jason Hill.
That's a 49er. This is for his PC collection now.
No, it's not.
Jason Hill jersey, numbered out of 175.
49ers.
Might as well. Check out his recent videos of the 09 Rookies and Stars for all of his
Sean
49er
Foster.
cards.
Bum.
Sean Foster longevity. His career didn't have it though. He actually plays for the 49ers now as well. Oh.
Man, 49ers.
That's why you should open classics so you can get Joe Montana. Montana. 4 hits in a box.
They didn't put decoys in every pack of these.
Nah. Decoys cost too much back then.
A.J. Davis rookie.
Is he even in the league anymore?
I don't even know who he is.
Numbered out of 999, A.J. Davis. Ow.
Smell that?
What is it? AP?
I smell Peterson Aldo coming up. Not in this pack.
I thought that was my lunch. Supposed to get 3 more hits. Pull something nice out. That's not it.
At least it's not a hit.
Julius Jones, number to 500. I was thinking Felix Jones for a second. Forgot what year this was.
Early. Man, these last few packs better be loaded.
Ooh, John Beck. You don't want him. Got a John Beck number to 1,000. Any BYU fans looking for it, he's got it for sale. Or trade. Probably sell.
Or you probably just have it.
Yeah, stop by and pick it up. You're going to be getting messages now.
I believe I'm going to get shorted.
Saving the best for last.
Yeah.
It's a thick one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
With Jason Hill.
Oh, man.
That ain't even right, man.
Got a Dress for Success, Jason Hill, numbered 20 of 25. That's very nice. But, oh, man.
Eric Frampton.
Hey, he plays for the Vikings now, don't he? Got an Eric Frampton rookie auto, numbered out of 50.
Peter's brother.
Oh, man.
A regular Ryan McBean.
Got a regular McBean rookie number to 999. Oh, man. Your 49ers collection is going to be awesome. Got a Reggie Ball number to 999. I got some Giovanni Carmizas I can sell you. Play for the 49ers.
Drew Brees.
Yeah. Wah, 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 wah. Drew Brees, Elements jersey number to 250. And that's it.